because you want to learn how to cash stuff. You're tired of being behind on bills. You ready to have a functioning budget? Stay tuned. Here is my budget for the 5th week of March. We are going to go ahead and cash up everything except for bills. I left those in the bank this month because we've been so busy. Let's get started with our cash envelopes. We are going to go ahead and add $50 to groceries here. We'll be at work probably for the next 7 days, so I don't know if we'll use this or not. Gasoline is going to get $100. I'm for sure gonna spend this. That truck uses gas like crazy. Miscellaneous isn't getting anything. Dining out is gonna receive $50. Let me do smaller bills. 20, 40, 50. We will probably use this when it's late nights up here. We do tend to just go grab something on the way home, which is fine. And our spending money will be receiving $20. All right, Help a Human is good. It has rollover from last week. So let's move forward to our sinking funds. All right, first here I have my low priority sinking fund binder, because I only have one that I'm stuffing out of this one, I believe, and that is travel. And to travel, I'm going to be adding $100. I am trying to get some money saved up for our summer trip. Doing it last minute, so gotta add a little bit of extra. All right, in travel, we have $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, and $50. And that's it actually for our low priority funds this time. Next, we're gonna work on high priority. And let me just insert and say real quick, low priority and high priority depends on your person. It's what holds high value to you, what's more important for you to spend your money on at the moment. So there's no way for me to tell you what's what. You have to choose within your own budget. So emergency is going to be receiving $25. I typically budget on my iPad, y'all, but it's dead. So we're gonna add 20 and 5 to our emergency fund here. Let's see what we've got. Looks like it's time for a 1K slip. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 900, 1,000, 1,020, 1,040, 1,060, 1,080, 1,100, $1,105. So next time I do a cash condensing, I will go ahead and put a 1K slip in here and get that $1,000 put into our high yield savings account. Next up, for car maintenance, we are going to be adding $50. And this is a really good fund to have, especially if you have an older car. Let's just put 50 in here, like I used to have. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550. Because one thing about life, when everything seems to be going good, your car will be like, here come the check engine light. And it's lovely to know that, okay, at least I can cover some, if not all of whatever it is. Holidays, this is every holiday except for Christmas. So for instance, we have Easter coming up. So into holidays, I'm going to be adding $40. So this is how I will pay for Easter baskets for my nieces. And I will probably donate some stuff to our old church. So 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240. Alrighty, for Christmas, we're gonna be adding $25. I say for Christmas throughout the year, y'all, and it has been such a game changer in my budget. 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 285. Christmas is one of those expenses that just creeps up on you. So it's good to save. Our insurance deductible, I believe it's met because I have to have it for 2 vehicles. So I'm just going to be adding 20 today. So in here now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,020, 40, 60, 80, 1,100. So I have $1,100 in here now, which will cover both of my deductibles for my truck and my car. All right, clothes and shoes, I'm going to be adding $40. It is time to buy new bras and underoos. And if you got big biddies like me, you understand that is not a cheap expense, honey. So 100, 200, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, $405 in clothes and shoes. And life insurance. So to life insurance, I'm going to be adding $40. This is actually for my mother's life insurance. So I have this ready for next month. So 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. I used to pay it out in a year, but they were being weird about me doing that this time, so whatever. And out-of-pocket medical, because you guys know I don't have health insurance. I am self-employed, so I'm putting $50 in here. I've been looking at some plans, but so ridiculously overpriced. So there's 20, 40, and 50. And we're gonna go ahead and put in here, which is perfect. So out-of-pocket medical has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,250, 1,270, 1,290, 1,110, 1,130, 1,140. So $1,140 in here, which is pretty good. I think I just want to have $2,000 in here for just in cases. And then our household fund isn't getting anything, so that's that. For that, for sinking funds is my grocery overage envelope, which is here. When we do go back to buying groceries and stuff for the house, when we're home more often, this is nice to have because groceries are insane. So $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 in our grocery overage envelope. Okay, and the very last little bit here. So we're gonna add $100 to our $100,000 savings. I do this mostly within my account, but when I have extra, I'll stuff it in cash too. And then our 52-week challenge and our monthly March challenge. So let's pull up our 100,000 challenge, and I'm gonna be adding $100 to that today. And I'm not gonna count it. I'll count it at the end of the month, every month. Okay, $10,000 giving. No, what am I doing? 52-week in our monthly March. So let's pull up our March monthly challenge. There's February. I actually need to pull it out because it's completed. For our March challenge for this week, I only had one state that I have visited, so I'll be adding $4 to this challenge. So we have one, oh, they're stuck there. There was that 5 I was looking for. 2, 3, $4. So in our monthly March challenge, we now have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So we have $52 in here now. And I think I'm 1 week behind. I actually need to be doing week 5, but I'll do it in my savings challenge video. I don't think I added to it last week. Is that everything? No, so we also have our 50, that's in here too. So we also have our 52-week challenge, which is in our Build-A-Bag Savings Challenge Planner. Here at the back, I believe. Yes, so for this week, we are going to be adding $12, so our total should be $78. Here's our 52-week challenge. So we are going to be adding $12. So we're gonna add 10, 11, 12. Well, if I could get it together. All right, so in our 52-week challenge, we now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. And I think I'm $10 up because I made change out of here and just kept the 10. So I'm not mad at being over. So that's everything for this week, y'all. I don't have any extra to add into my 52-week savings challenge, but it is also coming along well. Hopefully we'll be finishing that up soon and I can add that to my $100,000 savings challenge. But that's it for the week. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember when you watch these videos, don't pay so much attention to the numbers, but the method. So add in your own numbers and your own goals and budget that way. Make sure that you give priority to your debt, your emergency fund, your bills, and your variable spending, right? Sinking funds can come very last. If you work through your entire budget and there's not a lot left for sinking funds, remember that's okay. Your goal is to get the debt paid off, to build you up an emergency fund, and make sure that you can function from paycheck to paycheck. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Thank you. So glad to have you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.